Today I'm here with Waka Waka Waka, DJ Dan. Chinese New Year is coming and it's the year of the cow. Today we'll be making cow yi sang using fresh fruits and vegetables. You can slice your vegetables, spiralize, or julienne them. You can also cut heart shapes with your strawberries. Use a rolling pin to crush the peanuts. Next, make the dressing. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon white balsamic vinegar, and 1 tablespoon honey. Mix well. Use some beetroot juice to color some reddish pink. We're ready to assemble our cow yi sang. Here are the ingredients: radish, lettuce, cucumber, carrot, chuka wakame, strawberry, pear, pineapple, beetroot, blueberry, abalone, dressing, crushed peanuts, and tam-tam crackers. First, make the cow face using the white and pink radish. Form the ears using the pear. Place lettuce on plate, as well as the cucumber. Use carrots to make the horns. Arrange the chuka wakame and strawberries. Followed by the pineapple. Cut out some roasted seaweed for the black spots on cow face. Use blueberries for eyes and nostrils. Our cow yi sang is ready! Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends. Now we're gonna load some for our family. Pour in crackers, crushed peanuts, abalone, and dressing. Let's toast to a healthy and happy new year. 恭喜发财! Have an amusing year! See you in our next video!